Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now I know that achieving healthy hair can be a little daunting because with so many products launching on an everyday basis, with so much information available online, it is so confusing and just so irritating, and we don't really know how to achieve healthy hair. So in today's video, I have compiled a very easy doable hair care routine which can be followed by everyone in order to achieve nourishing healthy mane. So let me first tell you that when we are thinking about hair care routine, it is very important to understand the hair care needs, your hair type and your hair concerns, because every person's hair care journey is going to be different from another. Like for example, in my case, my major hair concern has always been roughness, dryness and frizziness. So I always look for a hair care routine which cuts down on the dryness, frizziness, repairs my hair, but along with that, something that rejuvenates and revives my hair in the longer run. So as the first tip, I love massaging my scalp after a good hair oil application. This is perfect for clearing out dandruff, dirt, dryness, frizziness and more without any hassle. Needless to say, it leaves me relaxed and rejuvenated. It's also very important to use a SLS and paraben-free shampoo. Like how you cleanse your body, it is very important to cleanse your hair at the same time, but not as often as you clean your body. It could be twice to thrice in a week. So make sure to use a SLS and paraben-free shampoo which brings back the pH level of your hair. The ideal pH level of your hair and scalp should be 5 to 5.5. So for which I suggest using the Bee Plant's 7-in-1 Repair and Revive shampoo and conditioner. So this has ceramides, Moroccan argan oil and SPF for UV protection. So this basically rejuvenates, revives and repairs the hair in longer run, and I must say that this is specially curated for Indian hair types. Gently start off with the 7-in-1 Repair and Revive shampoo on wet hair and scalp. Rinse thoroughly and follow up with the 7-in-1 Repair and Revive conditioner, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. Leave it on for 2 minutes and rinse off. Once your hair is completely set, then use the 7-in-1 Repair and Revive Oil Hair Serum, which fights damage and controls frizz. This has an amazing signature shine tonic that adds oodles of shine to your locks after every use. I'm mentioning a 20% code for you all to avail on their official website. However, the products are available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. Also make sure to avoid washing your hair with extremely hot water because that's not good for your hair. It would strip off the natural oil from your scalp, so choose to go for cold to very mild lukewarm water. Don't rub, just blot. Stop your urge to vigorously rub your hair after shampooing and conditioning when they're still wet. Instead, gently blot with a towel to prevent rough hair texture and frizz. A lot of us face hair damage because of the constant exposure in sun and pollution. Now we have a lot of products in the market to protect our skin from the same, but none for the hair. But don't worry, because Bee Plant has come up with a solution to tackle not just 1, 2 or 5 but 7 signs of hair damage. I love how my hair looks. I can't stop touching. I think it's quite well nourished, so much better from before, much repaired, and I love the shine that it's oozing out. So I'm gonna have the product links in the description box below for you to have a look. Definitely check it out, and I will see you very soon. Bye.